Hi, this is DIY Tony L. I'm going to show you how I built my fireplace. It is an electric fireplace insert that I ordered from a company called Touchstone. I believe they're out of California. I'll fire it up for you. There's the fireplace itself. It has a few different settings. Has different flame settings. Then it has two color settings. It also comes with a timer and two heat settings. The heat doesn't do all that great because this is a pretty large room and it's open to the kitchen, so we don't get a lot of warmth from it, but it does help. Also put a TV mount inside this wall, which I ran quite a few cables. I ran the Cat 6, I ran an HDMI and an audio optical. So let's get to it. I'll show you the steps that it takes to do this project. It's really not that difficult. I actually covered up in a fireplace that was already here. That was an old gas insert, but we like this much better. So here we go. Starting the project, tearing out my old fireplace insert and going to make a marble fireplace with an electric LED fireplace heater. Got the hearth tore out. I don't have to tear off the rest of this towel because I'm building a wall right over it. Got my TV mount down. I already got my outlet to plug back up my television. I've got a HDMI cord already ran. I'm going to also run audio optical and a Cat 6 cable. Got the fireplace framed in now. Did a dry fit of the electric fireplace. Got an outlet up top for the television and my cables ran. Next step would be to put the cement board and then tile it. Got the towel all done today. Everything worked out pretty good. Still have to go back and grout and do some cleanup. It's taken me 3 days so far. And tomorrow will be grout and finish the floor where I tore the hearth out. Well, I've got the fireplace in. I've got the tile done. Got it grouted. I'm going to have to finish the floor. Probably add some type of window treatment and get my television mounted. I am complete with my fireplace project. Took me approximately 6 days, about 5 or 6 hours a day. Kind of completes my family room. Still need to get some type of curtains, window treatment to finish the room off. I'm pleased with the project.